Looking to stream to multiple social media networks at the same time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to both YouTube and Facebook using Wowza Streaming Cloud. We're also going to use Wowza Gocoder, which is an app that's installed on my phone over here. It is free and available on both iOS and Android. We'll start by going into Wowza Streaming Cloud, and under live streams, we're going to choose to add a live stream. I'm going to call this stream Live from Denver, and I'm going to choose the closest location to me, which is US West. Next, I'm going to choose my encoder, which as I mentioned is Wowza Gocoder, and I'm not going to make any other changes. I'm just going to click next through all of the following pages, and you can always make changes to these settings later, but I just want to create my live stream. Once it's created, I can scroll down and get the connection code. And this is the code I am going to use to connect Wowza Gocoder to Wowza Streaming Cloud. So I'm going to open Gocoder on my iPhone here, and using the cog in the top right hand corner, I'm going to choose to connect to Wowza Streaming Cloud. So here I can enter my connection code. But once I've done it, I'll click done, and we'll get this confirmation success. Connection configured successfully. So now that that's been configured, we're also going to go into Wowza Streaming Cloud and now configure YouTube and Facebook as our stream targets. So under Advanced, we can go to Transcoders, and under Transcoders, you'll see Live from Denver right there. Just click on it, and over to the right, you'll see Outputs and Targets, and we are going to use the top one, the pass-through, to add some stream targets. So we'll start with YouTube, which is basically sending an RTMP stream to YouTube. That means basically you can use any social media network that accepts an RTM stream in the exact same way as we're going to do for YouTube. So I'm going to call this YouTube. I'm going to, for the provider, choose RTMP. And now all I need is the primary URL and the stream name. To get that information, I'm going to go over to YouTube, and I'm going to access Creator Studio. In Creator Studio, you'll find this information right under live streaming. So once you've gone into live streaming and everything's loaded, you can scroll down and you'll see the encoder setup information. I'm going to take the server URL and copy this first over to Wowza Streaming Cloud. So under primary URL, I'm just going to delete that RTMP : because it's already here. And the stream name is going to be my stream key. So I'm going to take this information and paste this over as well. And now I will add it in. Okay, so now we've added YouTube as a stream target. The next one we're going to do is add Facebook Live. Now Facebook Live is already here ready to go. All I need to do is log into Facebook Live, continue as myself. I'm going to choose to make this public for everyone to see, and I'm going to click OK off this last confirmation. Now that I've added it in, I'm going to call it Facebook, and I can choose my video destination, which I'm going to use another page. I'll click Add, and now it's ready to go. Now that both of these are ready to go, all we need to do is go back to live streams. I'm going to go into live streams by clicking on live streams, and you go to Live from Denver, and here I can start the live stream. Now once I begin, this is when you start accruing charges, so just remember to turn it off when you're done. If you don't turn it off, it's just going to keep running and continue to transcode, so you definitely want to turn it off. Okay, now this does take a few seconds here, but once we are ready, we are not actually streaming quite yet live on YouTube or Facebook. We've just started the instance for Wowza Streaming Cloud. Now all we need to do to go live is go back over to Gocoder and hit the red button and go live. So now the stream started and we're streaming. Hi everybody, I am now on Facebook and YouTube, but just to verify this, we're gonna go over and check it out. As you can see, our video thumbnail is showing me there, as well as the inbound statistics. I'd probably have to go back here to be able to talk more for you guys to see me, but let's check this out on both YouTube and Facebook now. So I'm going to go over to YouTube, and under YouTube, I can see it running right there. If I go over to Facebook as well, I can go over to videos, and there I am live. I can see it running. And apparently you can even hear me talking. There is definitely a little bit of latency in this process. There's about a 10-12 second latency, but that's pretty much it. So hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying out our services, please go ahead and just get a trial. Alright, my name is Justin Miller from Wowza Media Systems, and you have a great day.